Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Iraqi style beef bourek. The ingredients needed are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 bunch of chopped Italian parsley, 2 teaspoons of Baharat, which is also known as 7 spices, 1 package of egg roll wrappers, salt to taste, and canola oil. So let's get started. Grab a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once hot, add the onions and sauté until light golden brown in color. You can add a little salt to help cook down the onions faster. Once the onions have turned translucent, add the ground beef, break it up, and sauté it in with the onions, maintaining the temperature to a medium to low heat. Once the ground beef has turned into a light brownish color, add the Baharat and continue to cook on a medium to low heat. At this point, also add salt to taste. Once the ground beef has fully cooked, add the chopped Italian parsley, mix it in, turn off the heat and set aside to cool down. Let's start wrapping. Grab a small bowl filled with water, then place the egg roll wrapper on a board in the shape of a diamond. Add 2 tablespoons of meat near the bottom corner. Fold the corner inwards along with the 2 sides, folding it upwards slightly tightly. Then dabbing your finger in the water, then onto the top corner to seal the bourek. Repeat the same process until you are left with approximately 11 bourek. Then, add just enough oil in the pan for frying. Once the oil is hot enough, fry the bourek in 2 separate batches until they are golden brown in color. Your Iraqi style beef bourek is now ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Can't wait for you guys to give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.